Hello everyone! In this video, we're gonna make these super cute and easy fridge magnets with glass gems. Stick the googly eyes on the glass gems this way. Just glue a magnet to it. These bugs are fun to make and a great souvenir idea, especially if you're making it for someone you love. For the next variety, we need small pictures. You can choose them from scrapbook paper, books, newspapers, or anything. All you need to do is glue the clear glass gem on the picture, cut it out, and glue the magnet to it and finish the project. I hope you enjoyed this video as always. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. This is your Sue signing off.